Hi, this is Bob Brown, and this is recorded for the Walden DBA program. This was recorded December 4th, 2016, Sunday, 2:30. So just a quick follow-up on the experiment. The video I was talking about, it did go over 2,000. It's currently at 2,043. And I just wanted to share with the cohort the idea of being able to create videos. You can see I've created all kinds of different ones to see what was going on. Now this video, of course, is I've got the most hits on it. It's been 1 week and it's had about 2,043, and so that's averaging several hundred a day, which is, it's not a viral video, but it is interesting. And one further experiment on this is to actually run a text analyzer and see, you know, why did this video do so well versus, let's say, this video here that only had 5 views. You know, is it the first presentation? I mean, for example, this looks kind of boring. This is actually a fairly decent presentation. Standing Rock, Blue Ocean Thinking, Power of the People, but it only has 5 views. This video here, Standing Rock from the Sacred Hoop to the Socratic Circle, I did, it's been creeping up slowly. It's 54. This one was been just like every day or every other day or so it gets someone looks at it. So that's just some. I've noticed that this one here has been doing okay, and but I think you can see very quickly that this will not catch your eye. For some reason, this video caught someone's eye because I think the title of the book is one of the main things, The Necessary Revolution. And then I just did some generic ones because it's Christmas time on cooking. But anyway, it's interesting. I think what I see for all of us is that there's a potential to have your own YouTube educational channel. Maybe it's derived from your doctoral study and that you can drive it online. As I said earlier, I don't monetize any of these. Some of them when I create them, I think my settings are default where it monetizes them. It seems that people don't really like you monetizing them. So I've tended to stay away from that. I can see, as a marketing strategy, I could see that you could, you know, if you did a lot of work and it was like a 2-hour presentation or, you know, a series, I could see definitely monetizing it. And there's different ways of monetizing it where it, you know, if the person can click the video and it goes on. One thing I do with these videos, a lot of times I'll find a video that you know, on my smartphone that I like, and then I'll play it. I won't watch it, but I'll play it, you know, through the Bluetooth system in my car. And of course, if I have to sit through an ad, that kind of annoys me. And I don't want to be poking at my phone when I'm driving. So you have to take in consideration that your videos are going to be used and viewed in all kinds of situations. People on a bus or transport, or they're driving a car, they're in an airport. You got to think, what's it like as the consumer of your product? What do they see? But I really see that as doctoral candidates, we are only about 1% of the population. 1%. So we have a unique insight to things. We've been gifted to have this type of education. And I feel like one of my professors at Indiana Wesleyan told me. He said, you know, when you've had the privilege to have this type of education and this type of ability to learn and be able to expand your mind, you really, I think it's to create for your own benefit. You need to be able to teach and help other people. And you'd be amazed. And I'll close on this point. Like I said, I've had many positive if you click on this, the one thing that really kind of stands out, and this is that I have no negative I don't know if I can see it here or not. Yeah, here it is. 79 positives and 0 dislikes. That's almost hard to believe, because on my other videos I have likes and dislikes, which is normal. So this video has there's something, and this is not a well done video, by the way. It's just basically my iPhone propped up on a microwave. I'm standing in the kitchen running my mouth, but something in there really took off on people. And again, it'd be interesting to use IBM SPSS and to basically parse out what I was saying and why people resonated with it. Sorry, I had the dogs chasing cats here. So I would definitely experiment with this. Like I said, I'm preparing my doctoral program so I can start getting feedback. If you think about it, I mean, the committee's everything. I understand that, and the writing process is everything. But and if you have thick skin, putting your video out there or putting your ideas out here in the marketplace of ideas, you're going to get feedback. Now you're going to get you have to be prepared for negative feedback, and that's okay. Like I even say to people in my videos, I kind of say, please, if you disagree with me, let me know why you disagree with me. As long as it's respectful and you're not casting dispersions on people, which will happen. But I've just learned when I don't really go through all the comments. I will kind of skim through them. If I see a negative comment, I've just learned that like I said in my other video, don't respond. Just don't respond. If you want to, you can delete it, or but don't respond to negative comments unless it's a scholarly, academic, and they're really challenging it. Now that's different. If you want to challenge me on my ideas, that's fine. You can challenge me on my ideas, and not all my ideas are right, and I want to be challenged. I want someone to put my case to the test, because that's part of being an academic. You just have to do it. You have to be able to take it, and sometimes you're going to lose. I mean, sometimes you're going to lose the debate, and it's going to happen. That's okay, because there's always another. You can always make another video. You can always teach another class. But I really think the online teaching and this methodology has a future, and it really is about building your audience. It's about crafting your product, which maybe like mine's on artificial intelligence acceptance in business, and how businesses are going to have to deal with artificial intelligence systems. My core at that is I don't want people to lose jobs. I want this to be a complementary system so that we can reduce energy waste and logistics waste, and reduce human stress, and still deliver the goods and services our customers really vitally need. Anyway, so this has gone on too long, but I appreciate any feedback, and definitely consider this. Have a good holiday. We're still in class, but holidays are approaching fast. Have a Merry Christmas, and please leave your comments.